Little meeting.
Morning.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, crap, you
So weird.
Bagels, anyone? Second breakfast?
Sure.
We're having a meeting just for you.
Yeah, right. You guys critiquing?
We're talking about the 5Ds.
We're talking about all the stuff all that great work you did, Andy.
Oh. Is it actually happening? Oh my god. How did I not notice that? Oh, that's hilarious. Wow.
It's our present to you.
I really want to unwrap it. Wow, thanks guys.
I know that's the biggest wedding present you've gotten.
Oh my god.
Your own desk.
This is hilarious. Thanks guys. I think. Oh my god. I like the highlight on the shelf. Good touch. Oh my god. Wow.